right, we do need to get our deal off right here before we get too crazy. Tear stuff up. If I can get that. Get to that. Why not? We'll have to get an extension. These other motor mounts over here. All right, pull this bracket and get it out of the way. All right, well, somebody put these nuts on with 17 million pounds of pressure, and I can't get them off with like 140 on my air compressor and the impact. So I actually jumped on it, stood on it, everything else. So I'm gonna pull this off. I'm gonna pull the bottom off. I'm gonna just leave that connected to the shaft, pull this shock off, and when I jack that motor up, that whole shaft and this spindle will be one unit. That's the only way I can really do it. It's stupid, but whoever put these on is an idiot. And I don't have anything that will get that off. I'd have to cut that off with a grinder. I'm sure somebody's got some magic deal that takes those off. I even tried heat, so it is what it is. But we'll pull these off and go from there. All right, after many attempts, I finally got the axles out. I ended up actually pulling this one out of the CV cup. I popped the wrong deal off, so it's down in that mess. All that'll come out, so I'll have to redo that, which we're getting new deals anyway, so it would have had to been done because I'd had to get them off to get the boots on. And these were stuck in there really good. I finally got both of them off though. So I decided I'm just gonna go ahead and pull this motor, and hopefully it comes out of the rest of the way easy. I went ahead and took off my water lines, and we actually got something going on inside there. I think most of it's in the radiator. Actually, it was in this hose here, and it's pretty nasty. Hopefully it'll wash out. All right, so I need to get my lines off for my alternator, and I need to go get something to cut them with. Get that 10 millimeter on the back side off. All right, get that 10 millimeter nut off. Assume it'll be a red wire. Feels like there's a washer behind it. Yep. I'll put that washer and that nut back on that post. Actually, there's a washer, a lock nut, or lock washer, and then a regular washer. Put them back on. You'll never even know. All right. I think we got everything unhooked. All right. So we've got connectors here to our temperature gauge to our fan, and then two to the actual fan. We're gonna unplug them. Hopefully they don't fall apart when we do. Got our vent bottle there. One hose. Alright, let's see if we can snaggle this thing out of here. Maybe like a geometry match. Where does it fit? Let's take off the cup. So, quick, somebody, crap, where's the kids at? Jack this son of a bitch up. Pass that exhaust. Oh, I got snagged on something else now. There we go. Exhaust it over the frame. Keep it off the seat for a minute. Well, I'm gonna have to figure out how to get this out of here by myself. Let's see if I can get this out of here without breaking the taillights and stuff. Put a jack underneath the buggy. I think we're all clear. I'm gonna clear my taillight. Oh, I might got one more wire connected, or maybe it's disconnected and it's just hanging there. No, just hanging there, so we need to prop it up. So we're good. Now let's just get it out of this buggy. Woo, that's what I was afraid of. We're on a hill. See if you can pull that back. Go. All right, let's see if we can get this oil pan loose. We'll leave a few on. That way it just don't fall off. I think we got her pot loose. There we go. Oh my God. That is chunks of metal. We may be in a little more trouble than what we know. Just chunks of metal. We're not sure what all came loose in here. This is not good at all. All right, Stormy, do we got a, let's get a Walmart bag and we'll put this in the Walmart bag. And grab a can of that cleaner. Find the socket that fits on the end of this so we can turn the crank and see what's loose. So this one's the one that's definitely gone. We'll pull it off, see how bad it is. Let's take her off, shall we? That piece supposed to just come off, boy. Here, hold that. Ha, I knew it'd come out that way. We may just have to put the compressor up to the cylinder. I'll blow it back down. You believe me?
Maybe.
Yeah, better believe it.
Should I?
All right.